Imagine using the terms entry-level and baby bull around a 600 horsepower V10 Lamborghini on steroids. Let's check it out. Hi. Today we will unbox a 2013 Lamborghini Gallardo GT3 FL2. The scale is 1/18, the manufacturer is Auto Art, and the item number is 81357. The color is metallic orange or Arancia Borealis. Let's dig in. This is a race car and not a road car, so chances of seeing this Gallardo on the road are slim to none. Lamborghini developed this car with Reiter Engineering, and for this version, they improved brakes, cooling, fuel economy, aerodynamics, weight reduction, and power-to-weight ratio. Weight is just under 1200 kilograms, which improved performance as well. 0 to 100 kilometers per hour is estimated at 3 seconds, but I couldn't find the official numbers. The car has a 6-speed race gearbox and it runs on racing fuel. I'm not a big fan of these racing hypercars, but we all respect the sheer work put into this. The car also has 2 versions of carbon Kevlar racing seats for drivers of different heights. The interior is fairly detailed. The door sill plate is nice. I like the wheels and the Pirelli P0 tires so much that I would probably buy this model just for them. Nicely detailed. I bought this model in an auction on eBay and I noticed that it was priced lower than many auto arts on the internet. The only parts that open are the doors, but it's still an auto art. And it's orange, so it's cool. The engine under this hood is a 5.2-liter V10, close to 600 horsepower at 8,000 RPM. Top speed is 280 kilometers per hour or 174 miles per hour. The rear spoiler looks ridiculous, but it's not just for show. It creates a massive amount of downforce. The small slide windows on both sides are static and cannot be opened. The actual cars have built-in air jacks and they're quite useful. Those are not them, of course. The whole car is completely covered on the bottom, just like I imagined the real car would be. The model doesn't disappoint in terms of details, and the color is awesome. The price is around $150 depending on the seller, of course, but I would consider an auction for this one. Just saying, you might get it for half the price. And that's that.